guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the 2019-2020 Erin Condren Life Planner. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of mine, and if you'd like to see that, then just keep watching. We're going to be going over it right now. So let's get into the unboxing of your order. So whenever you first get your order from Erin Condren, you're going to receive it in a box that comes in the mail just like this. So I've already unboxed my order, and the very first thing that you're going to see is a newsletter from Erin. Life Made. Life is a kaleidoscope of colors, and this year her life planner theme, every year she apparently she has a theme that her life planner. So let me just say, I have never had a life planner from Erin Condren. This is my first life planner from Erin Condren, and every year there is a design theme, and this year her design theme is the kaleidoscope. It was inspired by my love of color, design, and growing excitement for what life has in store for us, and it hit me. It's like a kaleidoscope, and you can actually watch her video, and she says where the slightest change you make in a pattern totally dramatically changes the look of what you see. And so she was talking about in her video how just like if you just change a pattern, like watching TV for 30 minutes and instead went to the gym for those 30 minutes, it dramatically changes what you see. It dramatically changes the shape of your body. And I just loved how she used that analogy. And so that is why she chose this year's theme to be the kaleidoscope. What I chose for my outer covering was the cactus theme. So whenever you go on to design your life planner, you can choose whatever you want. And I was just intrigued by Erin Condren. I had heard a lot about the life planner, and I've always been a person who's always had a planner, but I've never had what I can see now is the Rolls Royce of planners. So it was a little bit confusing having never ever ordered an Erin Condren. So whenever you first go on, you really don't know what to get or what you should be looking at, or it's a little bit, to me actually, it was quite overwhelming. And so what I ended up getting was what is called the Life Planner, and let's just get into it and I'll show you what you got. You can get a 12-month version if you like a 12-month version. You can get an 18-month version, which will go from the academic year starting in July through the end of that calendar year, and then a full calendar year. So mine will run from July 2019 through December 2020, and I love an 18-month calendar because I really don't like swapping out a calendar that often. So that's what I chose to get, and then you can get 3 layouts. You can get vertical, horizontal, or you can get an hourly design, and then you can choose the spiral binding. Platinum is free, and then it's $10 extra if you want a black matte, you want a rose gold, or a regular gold. And I wanted the rose gold, so I paid the $10 extra. Then you can have your calendar personalized, and I got my name, and then I got the time period on it, and that's free. And so they start at $55, and then by the time that you do the additional spend, mine was $5 extra for the additional 6 months of the calendar, and then it was $10 extra for the binding. And these are hand bound in Texas at her shop, and so that brought my calendar up to the $70 price point. And so then it comes with it comes wrapped in tissue paper, It comes in this particular box. This is the first year that you are getting a storage box for your calendar. This is a storage box, so please do not throw that away. Even if you you can actually carry your binder in this box if that's the way that you choose. Don't throw it away though, because if you have a binder from last year, you can store your last year's binder in this, or if this is your first year like it is for me, I will be saving my box and then I will store this year's or this 18-month calendar. When the time period is up, I will store it back in this box when I am no longer using it. And so I will put this away on my bookshelf for when this calendar is up, and then that way I can go back and look at the goals that I had set and the things that I had done in my YouTube business, and where things have went right or where things have went wrong, or the things that I had purchased, the type of videos that I had done. The calendar comes with certain cards. It comes with little notes, encouragement cards, thank you cards is what it looks like. Things that say, don't give up, great things take time, today is another chance to get better. Some little stylized sticky notepads. I really, really love these because then I can write down when I haul things, I can write them right here for what I've purchased and write it in the calendar on the day that I've done that or the week that I've done that. It has a calendar charm and then another sticky notepad, so I really, really like that. Every calendar comes with a removable ruler that you just put back on the calendar. So you just snap it back on, or wherever you want to in your calendar, you just snap that right back on. And whenever you open the book, this you can write on with a dry erase marker. And this is a Mohawk paper is what this is. So a heavy, heavy cardstock paper. And you have just encouragement quotes right here. And then each month has a certain color coded, and it's the same in each calendar from year to year. So July is always blue, August is always yellow, September is always a lilac-y purple, October is always orange, and so on and so on. And then you have your calendar glance for the year. Then you have a little place where you can write your goals and what your focus is, and then you start heading into your month of July. You can write down special birthdays for that month, and you can write down your monthly goals, and then you just have a little space for your notes. And then you have a month at a glance. And then you have your days, and I have the, yes, mine's the horizontal. And then you go on into August, month at a glance, and then you just have a bigger area place to write, and then out here is color coded to that month, and just a little area for writing. I am so excited about this calendar. So it just is the same format all the way through. So I figured I could do, my overall theme is on this type of calendar, and then go over here and really drill down and be specific over here on these pages. So if you go all the way back to the back, and you're coming to the end of the calendar, then you're going to have page for January 2021, note pages. You're just going to have some doodle pages, some coloring pages, some contacts pages. You're going to have a calendar for 2021. You're going to have beautiful, beautiful, elaborate foiled stickers. You can also purchase additional stickers if you run out of these. These are just absolutely just amazing. These especially these right here are just crazy good stickers. Just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous stickers. More stickers, and then you have a pocket on both sides of this. You have a large pocket here, you have a large pocket here, and then you have this perpetual calendar, which for things that continue every year, you can write these down in this perpetual calendar and just slip this out and then pop this in your next Erin Condren calendar, life planner, so that you don't have to rewrite those things the next time. And then again, you have this that is like a dry erase that you can change in and out. So if you have a project that you're working on and then that project gets finished, then you can start your next project. You can just simply wipe off the dry erase, start your next project here. So I'm just really, really happy with my best new life planner on steroids, the Rolls Royce of life planners. So I am just couldn't be more happy with it. I just wanted to unbox that. If you've never seen the Erin Condren, I'm sure you have, but if you haven't, I hadn't. So I just thought if someone else was like me and they hadn't seen that and they really didn't know exactly what one to get, I wanted to show you mine. And I have the horizontal layout, and I really, really like that. I love all of the motivating quotes in here, and I really, really need that with me starting up my YouTube channel. I'm really hoping that it's going to help me with everything that I'm trying to do, and I really loved Erin Condren was talking about one of her new life planner users that she was quoting, and she said that the things that she keeps in her phone are things that she has to do in a day, but the things that she keeps in her life planner are things that she can get done in a day. So I just thought that was so cute. So that's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping that my new life planner is going to increase my productivity and help me get more things done and done more efficiently and better and more accomplished. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, remember, give me a big thumbs up. And if you hadn't subscribed to my channel before, then I would love to have you as part of the Gen X Beautiful team, and hit the big red subscribe button before you leave. And don't forget to hit the post notification bell, and be sure it has the big brackets around it so you'll get notified every time that I upload new content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the 2019-2020 Erin Condren Life Planner. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of mine, and if you'd like to see that, then just keep watching. We're going to be going over it right now.